Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Hi. Not too bad. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking.
Good.
What's your name?
My name is Alice. Your name
Okay.
is Sahiba?
Yes, Sahiba.
Okay, Sahiba. And where are you calling from today?
I am from India.
India. Okay. Where
Yes.
where whereabouts in India?
Northern part.
The north. Okay. I am on the west coast of Ireland. So,
Ireland.
yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
wow.
And tell me, are you a student? Are you working?
Yes, I am student. I am in 12th grade right now.
Oh, so how old are you?
17.
Oh, you're only 17. Okay. And
Yeah.
what subjects do you study in school?
Mm, English, Urdu, political science, uh, and Persian and IT.
Okay, so you speak Urdu as well.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. And
Yeah.
what is your favorite subject in school?
English.
English, okay. And what would you like to do when you finish?
Uh, Sorry.
What would you like to study in college when you finish school?
Yeah, actually, I want to become an Islamic scholar. So,
Okay,
yeah, so this is my goal.
perfect. Okay. And
Yeah,
so tell me, are you in a big city or a small city?
small city.
Small city. Okay. What is the population?
Uh, mm, I don't know.
It's probably more so the
Yeah.
population of Ireland is only 7 million.
Oh
So
my
I am
God,
yeah.
7 million.
Yes.
Oof.
So I imagine your city probably has more
My city is also small.
small, okay.
Yeah.
And so where would you like to go to college? A bigger city? Where would
Yeah,
you stay?
actually, I want um in abroad.
Abroad. Oh, okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Do you have a particular country in mind or
Yeah, America.
America? Okay. Why America?
Actually, there is staying my teacher. She's scholar.
Okay. So
Yeah,
you'd follow her. Okay.
yeah.
And where in America would you go?
California.
California. It's nice and
Yeah,
warm.
yeah.
You you don't want to go anywhere too cold. Um, California. So that will be when you finish school. So next year.
Yes, yes.
Wow. So you must be
Yeah,
very excited.
yeah. I'm so excited for college life, for
Yeah.
for meeting new friends, new people.
Yes. And in America, you'll meet people from all over the world as well. Be very
Oh,
exciting. Yeah. Good
yeah.
luck with that adventure. Um, so how many people are in your family?
6.
6.
Yeah.
So how many siblings do you
Uh,
have?
3. I have 2
3.
older brothers and 1 older sister.
Okay, so you're the youngest.
Yeah.
And what do your siblings do? Do they work? Are they
Uh,
studying?
One of my brother, he's a software engineer.
Okay.
Yeah. So, uh, other brother, he is a cricketer right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So one of my sister, um, uh, she's married. Yeah.
With children?
Yeah. One.
One. Okay, one baby. So you're an auntie.
Yeah.
Okay. And your brother, does he play for internationally for cricket
Yeah.
or? Cool.
First.
Okay.
Yeah.
And have you ever played any sports?
Yes. He play for state.
State. Okay.
Yeah.
And, and do you like playing any sports?
Sorry.
Do you like to play any sports?
Yeah. No.
No.
Yeah.
You were more of an academic.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
And So what do you like to do in your free time in the evenings?
In the evening, I like reading
Okay,
and I like walk.
walking, yeah.
Yeah.
Where would you go for your walks?
Uh, I go uh, uh, on my floor,
Where?
floor.
On the floor.
Yeah,
Well, so would you go outside or?
yeah, outside.
Okay. And what do you like to do at the weekends with your friends?
Actually, in this time here is a lot of coronavirus, so
Mhm.
I don't go outside. So
Okay, so
that's why.
that's why you're
Yeah,
trying to exercise inside. And so have you been doing school has all been online?
yeah,
Okay. And so how strict is the lockdown at the moment? Is there a curfew or is
yeah.
no one allowed to
Curfew. Yes,
curfew? And how long has that been for?
all universities, school, college, mm, everything is closed.
Closed, okay.
Yeah,
And for how many months has that been?
coronavirus. Oh,
The
lockdown.
lockdown. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, two
I know
months ago.
coronavirus.
2 months ago, lockdown in
Two
here.
months ago. Okay, yeah. Ireland just opened up last week. So only
Last week.
last week. Yeah. We had 5 months from December to last week, and now we're open again. But
Oh,
maybe in a few weeks' time, we might go back to lockdown. You never know.
yeah, yeah,
And so, what is the situation at the moment? Is it getting better or
yeah. I think better.
better? Yeah. As
Yeah,
long as people listen, I think, if they do what
yeah.
they're told and listen to the government, I think it's
Yes,
the only.
yes.
It's very frustrating. It's been so long
Yeah,
since. So
yeah.
have your family been working from home also?
Yes, yes,
So the internet connection must be
yes.
really.
Yeah.
Um, so what will you do you think, the first thing when lockdown finishes? Will you go to see your friends
Yeah,
or
yes.
yeah,
I will go school, meet
school?
with my friends.
It will
Yeah,
be a whole new world.
yeah.
And so tell me, do you have any other hobbies?
Other hobbies. I actually I like a Ludo game.
Ludo.
Yeah.
Oh, I haven't played.
So
Oh, the traditional one, the wooden one.
yeah,
Yeah, I think I know which one. Let me just check.
yeah.
I
You know
think I know.
Ludo?
I know the yes, 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 yeah, the traditional
Yeah.
one. I was thinking of the American one, which
I
is bad.
I play with my sister,
Okay,
my
good.
older
That's
sister.
good for the
Sometimes I play,
that's
but
good for the brain, I think.
yeah, but I always lose it whenever I play Ludo.
Really?
Yeah.
So practice isn't helping.
Yes.
But it's good to have things to,
Actually,
entertain
um,
them.
I play sometime, so that's why I don't know.
So you don't play so often.
Yeah.
Okay. And what type of books do you like to read? What type of genre?
Uh, um, Recently I read a book. Book name is Think and Grow Rich
Okay.
and Rich Dad Poor Dad.
Rich Dad Poor Dad. Okay.
Yeah, and other book, religious book I like.
So you're doing lots of research
You,
then.
yeah, usually I read religious books.
Yes. Okay. That's good though because it's something you're passionate about, obviously.
Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah. That's so nice to see.
yeah,
Look, we only have 10 seconds left, but it was
yes,
lovely to talk to you. And good
yeah,
luck with your in California and good luck
yeah.
in the future. Okay. Good
Okay,
to see you.
okay. Bye bye.
Bye.